Meet the two monkeys of my life, Ashfaq on the right side and Sami on the left.
Assalamu alaikum, this is your girl Saher. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. हम currently Empire में हैं. I don't know if you guys can tell, but we are going to drop off this Motoyama over there, and he's leaving for Delhi. धोखा हुआ है हमारे साथ निभाने के वचन लेके तोड़ दिया है वादा। मिलिए इस फरेबी इंसान से। यही है वो आदमी जिसने जैसे की लड़कियों को लूटा है। इज्जत लूट के जा रहा है दिल्ली, फरार हो रहा है हमारा मंजू फरार। नहीं मंजू फरार, मजनू का मंजू फरार। यही है वो आदमी, गौर से देखिए।
चैन से सोना है तो जाग जाइए।
वो में कौन है? आ जाता स्ट्राइकर।
नो बुकिंग फोन कर दे रे बा।
ये बुकिंग नॉट फाउंड। ये
चल गए, यू टर्न मारो।
खाना खा लेंगे ब्रो अच्छे से।
और
मौत से मिलने का आई डोंट केयर।
क्या
इतना तो कर तुला क्या खैर कह रहे हो? वाह,
ले
मैक्स बॉल्स रखो जो
देखो स्कैन पे चलो पता चला। उन्हें तो वो क्या पकड़ा हाथ में, वो क्या पकड़ा।
As you guys can see, हम airport आ गए हैं, Bangalore airport, and we will be dropping him off. And before that, Mr. Ashfaq and Samiullah both have sweet tooth and they wanted to have donuts. So यहाँ पे हम donuts खा रहे हैं। एंड फिर उसके बाद तो दशहरा स्टार्ट हो गया था। मैसूर में दशहरा बहुत ग्रैंड से सेलिब्रेट होता है। इसका मैंने वीडियो ऑलरेडी शेयर कर दिया था, तो इन केस आपने नहीं देखा तो जाके चेकआउट कर लेना। ये एक रैंडम क्लिप थी उसके बाद वाली। तो हम दशहरा के दिन वीकेंड था आई थिंक, हम लोग एक राउंड बाहर गए थे एंड थोड़ा डिनर पे भी गए थे, बिकॉज हम पूरा वीक जो 10 डेज़ ऑफ दशहरा होता है हम कहीं पे भी नहीं गए थे, सिर्फ स्टार्टिंग का एक दिन गए थे बिकॉज अम्मी के सिस्टर और बच्चे आए थे उनको देखना था, मतलब दशहरा वगैरह। तो उस दिन हम निकले थे और उसका वीडियो मैंने बना दिया है। एंड उसके बाद हम सोरेंटिनो आए थे। ये कैफ़े है इन गोकुलम इन मैसूर। तो यहाँ पे मेरे हस्बैंड ने कॉफ़ी ली है एंड हम दोनों ने पिज़्ज़ा शेयर किया। तो फिर डिनर करके मम्मी पापा के घर आए थे, तो वी सॉ दैट द ड्रोन शो हैड स्टार्टेड एंड आई नो आई एम टू लेट टू शो दिस बट आई थॉट आई विल शेयर इट विथ यू गाइस। सो आई एम एडिंग म्यूजिक एंड speeding it up so that you guys can enjoy. have seen a very random clips. So those were the ones that I have wanted to share. Pretty much I wanted to share a H&M haul. So let me do that right now. Alright, let me just first start off with home decor. Yes, H&M has a home section right now. पहले इंडिया में अवेलेबल नहीं था, अब्रॉड में अवेलेबल था, बट अब इंडिया में भी अवेलेबल है कुछ टाइम से. तो ये सिर्फ ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल है एज फार एज आई नो, बट मे बी कहीं मेजर सिटीज़ में उनका H&M होम का दुकान भी होगा. आई हैव नो क्लू. सो आई बॉट वन थिंग फ्रॉम देयर. So this is the jute rug that I got it from there. It was quite pricey, but I got a very good discount. This was on sale और एक last piece बचा था. So I picked it up from there. It's a very good sized runner sort of jute mat. दिस इज़ अ ह्यूज H&M बैग. इसी में वो जूट का रनर आया था. उसका प्राइस 2299 था, इफ़ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. एंड इसका ओरिजिनल प्राइस, सॉरी, इसका प्राइस था 2239 रुपीज़ एंड इसका ओरिजिनल प्राइस कुछ 4000 रुपीज़ का था. एंड आई रियली लव्ड इट. दिस वाज एक्चुअली फॉर किड्स रूम, बट आई वांटेड इट बिकॉज ये हमारी बचपन की मेमोरी है. आई वाज नॉट अ वेरी स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन, बट आई डिड प्ले दिस एज अ किड. जब 4-5 बजे घर आ जाते थे, ट्यूशन वगैरह हो जाती थी, 5 बजे जब हम फ्री होते मगरिब से पहले, हम लोग सारे इकट्ठे होके वी यूज्ड टू प्ले दिस. सो आई वांटेड टू have it kind of have that as a remembrance in my house, and that's why I picked it up, and it's totally worth it. I just hope my maids do not ruin it by putting pocha and everything. And इसमें मैं अभी बाकी की चीज़ें डाली हूँ. So first and foremost I got this. Okay, the bag just left the room. So first and foremost I got this particular jacket. This is like a long denim jacket. I have worn it already because I couldn't wait, and I got it in the size large and it fits me perfectly. Let me just show you guys. It's a washed out color, like it's a faded washed out denim color, but it's such a good layering piece for the coming winters. वैसे यहाँ पे साउथ इंडिया में उतनी ठंड नहीं होती है जितना दिल्ली में या नॉर्थ में होती है, and this is such a perfect layering piece and it goes all the way to my ankles. It's like this is actually supposed to be a dress, but I will be using it as a coat. It has to be ironed because it's just got out of the wash. I have a lot of t-shirts which are half sleeves and I no longer wear half sleeves. I wear mostly full sleeves. हम समर के बाद का जो फेज होता है उस टाइम से लेके ऑलमोस्ट दिसंबर तक मैं ये पहन सकती हूँ. Seen a lot of Pinterest inspos, this detailing, and there's a huge button over here, and if you want to tighten it even more you can just do that. There's another layering piece for the upcoming winters, and it's this satin sort of a blazer. Looks so beautiful and the length is so perfect. Usually the blazers for girls come up to your, I wanted something little bit long because that was the kind of Pinterest inspo I had, and it's perfect. It's like it's this very soft satiny material, doesn't have a lot of thickness to it, so utni garmi nahi hoti hai, and it's perfect for the South Indian winters. I know I look like a lawyer right now, but then it's really good if you layer it up really well and wear a white or a black t-shirt underneath, or even if you can want to carry it formally you can do that. Even the length of this is perfect. It comes below my hip area and it's a very beautiful size. There are fake pockets, there are no original pockets, so that's the only bummer. And this is a large size again. This one was on sale and I felt it was a steal deal. I think it was 1000 something and it was a steal deal. So always make sure that you check out the sale section over there. There's always a sale section and there might be 1 or 2 gem pieces that you might find that you will definitely love. And one such piece was this this particular quad set. So while I was going to check out near this area where they have kept accessories, somebody had just let it lying down over there. I think this is supposed to be like a lounge set, but I will be using it as a quad set, and I really like it. This one I have not worn yet, and I will be wearing it really soon. So this it's a ribbed quad set, and this is in the size extra large. This is a little bit long on me, so if you are a 5 feet girly like me, then it might be tad bit long and I need to tailor it. The good part about it is that it's not straight, it flares out and there's a good amount of flare. Looks really nice, although I'm sad that I have to trim it a little bit, but this is how the ribbed material looks like. It's a very beautiful gray, and this is the top, and again the top has short sleeves, so something like, you know, that denim jacket would be really nice to layer it up. And this is priced after discount at 1499. Like, both of these amazing quality at 1499, I knew I couldn't pass upon. And these are the three pieces that I also got from H&M that I wanted to show you guys from a long time, but I was not able to. But today I decided, no matter what I'm wearing, I'm just gonna show it to you guys, because that was in the back of my head. So yeah, that is all for this particular video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys in the next one. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, and keep smiling. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the bell notification button. Leave a comment if you like this video, and if you have any recommendations for me, do let me know of that as well.